Having a cash cow YouTube channel does not mean creating videos about making cash from cows. It means creating videos where you don't have to show your face. This way of making money on YouTube has been an untapped gold mine that you can benefit from with a few powerful steps. Before we get into the video, make sure to check out the link in the description for free YouTube training that will reveal to you the biggest secret of making money on YouTube. Number 8. Choose a relevant niche. A cash cow channel is a channel where you don't have to show your face or make videos yourself. If you want to start a cash cow YouTube channel, picking your niche is the first super important step to take. This is because not all niches can work without showing your face. For example, if you're a vlogger, you might have a hard time vlogging without showing your face. You can choose a niche you're passionate about that doesn't require you to show your face. For example, if you are a fitness junkie, you can start a good cash cow channel and have it work quite well. Since the fitness niche is a wide market, you can niche down and create videos on that to target a specific audience. You can talk about weight loss or create videos on diets you can adopt to lose weight. Search your competitors' channels and see what videos are popular and list down some of the titles you would like to base your content on and reword them to make them your own. Whatever niche you choose, make sure you're comfortable with it or are passionate about it enough to motivate you to keep you creating content around it. If you choose a niche you know nothing about, you may have to end up hiring freelancers to do all the work for you, which may end up being poor quality and not worth watching. Make it a purpose to learn about the niche you choose if you don't know anything about it. Number 7. Pick your video topic. Picking your video topics is crucial once you've decided on your niche and created your channel. To create your video topic, look for a popular video and choose the one you want to base your content on. Titles are some of the most important things for your YouTube content. This is because your video's title allows the viewers to find your videos. Without a title, your video would be uncategorized, which would make it harder for your videos to be discovered and watched. That said, using a search term in your titles is most important because your videos get to reach your target audience. For example, look at these two titles: How to Lose Weight, How to Lose Weight Without Exercise. The first title is generalized and can show limited results in the search engine, while the second title has a search term without exercise, therefore more searchable. To find out, you can use a tool such as vidIQ for keyword search. Type in your title and see if it comes up in the search. If it doesn't, change the words up and try again. When you get the right keywords, put them in your title and voila, you have a searchable title. This helps your video rank high in the YouTube search results when the viewer searches for those keywords. Before we continue, make sure to stay focused because the following steps are going to be a game changer for you. Number 6. Use content from around the web. After you've chosen a topic for your video, it's time to create your content. Now, you can create content by writing a script yourself, reusing someone else's video, or picking content from around the web. To use someone else's content, ensure it has the fair use license or you might get YouTube strikes, which can cause you to be permanently banned from using the platform. To use someone else's video, you can either listen to it and type the words, re-upload it and edit parts plus the title, or find a tool to transcribe the video to text for you. You can change the wording of the transcript to make it your own and correct mistakes. Another way you can find content is by taking points from articles and editing them to how you want the script to be. This means that you don't have to create videos yourself from scratch. You only have to edit and change the images and clips used and use them as your own. This makes your work super easy and you can create viral videos in no time using this method. It is important to note that you should not copy someone else's video word for word. The goal is to recreate that video into a version that suits you and one that doesn't look like a copy-paste. Number 5. Use a voiceover. When your script writing is done, you need to create a voice for it. You can use an automated voiceover if you like, but YouTube may fail to monetize for ad revenue. You can also put music with the text if you don't want to use your voice. While you don't need to have a voice on your videos and can use background music with screen captions, our recommendation is to use a voice that is as human as possible. To make a voiceover, you can buy cheap $40 microphones that work just as well. And if you're strapped for cash, you can record with your mobile, email the attachment to yourself, and upload it to editing software. After you're satisfied that your voice is in sync with the video, you have come to the editing part of your video creation, which is what we will talk about next. Number 4. Edit your video. Now that you have your video put together, you can start editing by removing the repetitive and irrelevant parts. This is where many people go wrong. They don't edit their videos properly because they think it's too much work to do. But editing your videos is the next best thing because it removes clutter and makes your videos flow and look synchronized. Editing your videos doesn't have to be an uphill task. You can use tools to simplify your job such as Lumen 5. This software makes things easier for you and even gives you captivating templates that you can use for your videos. You just need to customize your templates, copy and paste your script, and use the scenes that work for you. You can change the scenes to fit your style, but even if you don't, that tool has it figured out for you and cuts your work in half. Such a tool allows you to spend less time creating and editing, which makes work easy and super fast. Also, it is important to note that you can edit for yourself with editing software such as OpenShot that has amazing YouTube templates. After editing, it is important to preview your videos. Video preview helps you to ensure that you've caught any potential errors that you may have skipped and correct them. You want your video to offer valuable help without any glitches because if there's one thing that frustrates a viewer, it is a video that doesn't flow. Number 3. Create a thumbnail. There is total power in attractive thumbnails. It does not matter how great your video is or that it is warning people of impending doom. If you have a crappy thumbnail, viewers will just skip it and go to the one that has better thumbnails. The title and thumbnail are the first things a viewer sees when they come across your channel. If they don't scream "click me," your video is in trouble. To see how good thumbnails are created, just go back to the popular video you based your topic on and see how they've done theirs. Then use a tool such as Canva to create an awesome thumbnail for free. Canva has thousands of free photos and other elements you can use to make an awesome thumbnail that can convert your videos to money-minting machines. Create a great thumbnail keeping the initial one in mind, but don't copy-paste the original one. Just create one close to it. Your thumbnail has to correctly identify the contents of the video. For example, you can't have a weight loss video and have clowns and Ferris wheels on your thumbnail. It might give a distinct impression of a circus event rather than a weight loss video. Also, your thumbnail should be clearly labeled and easy to read. Blurred images will only turn away your viewer, and you don't want that. Create an enticing thumbnail, and you're in business. Number 2. Write your descriptions and tags. Besides the title and thumbnail, your description and tags are important to get your video ranking in search results. Using long-tail keywords can help your video stand out when people are searching for those keywords. After you've created an exceptional thumbnail, write out your descriptions and tags. The top part of your description is visible to the YouTube algorithm, so you want to make it as inviting as you possibly can so that it can be picked by the algorithm and placed higher in the search results. When your video is being processed, you can start writing your description. As we mentioned, the part of your description above the fold is the most important because of its relevance. If relevance is high, there is a big chance that the YouTube algorithm may pick up and help you rank higher in the search results. When you're done with your relevant description, you need to fill out tags relevant to your video topic. For example, if your video is about how to lose weight without exercise, you have to choose tags that are relevant to that topic. You can't click on a tag that says how to lose weight at the gym because it is not relevant to your search term. You can click as many tags as you possibly can, provided they are relevant to your search term. This helps your video get noticed even when the viewer is not searching for your exact keyword. Having tags helps more people find your videos even when they're looking for something closer to yours because you've included similar tags to what they're looking for. Before we get into number 1, don't forget to check out the link in the description for a free YouTube training that will reveal to you the biggest secret of making money on YouTube. And make sure to hit the subscribe button for more valuable content. Number 1. Publish your video. Now the easiest part, publishing your video. Before putting your video up, it is important to give it a once-over just to make sure everything is in place, from your video sections, their captions, and voiceover. You don't want your video to be showing something completely different from what your voiceover says. This is a mistake many beginner YouTubers make. They are in a hurry to upload their first video. They don't stop to see how the final product has come together before letting it go live. After you've made sure your video has no glitches, you're done. It's up to you to decide whether you want to publish it there and then schedule it for a later date. If you want to publish it immediately, we recommend holding off for 1 hour and looking at it again with fresh eyes before uploading. This gives you a chance to catch elusive mistakes. You want to give value to your viewers so that they keep coming back, and ensuring that your video is good does not mean you have OCD. Well, maybe a little bit. But it is for the better because your videos will be professional and well done, which shows that you put time and effort into making this amazing, which is something many viewers appreciate. Make sure to check out the next video. You're going to get a ton of value from this one. See you there.